Hello, I'm Kajal from Mystery Masterclass here. Today we know how to do our first paranormal investigation. If you are interested in paranormal investigation, there are a few things you need to know. First, make sure you have the right equipment such as cameras, audio recorders, and a flashlight. Next, research the location you plan to investigate. Learn about the history and any reports of paranormal activity. Finally, make sure to bring a partner and stay safe. Before you start your investigation, take the time to get familiar with the area and take notes of any unusual activity. During your investigation, be sure to document everything with pictures and audio recordings. Afterward, review the evidence and make any necessary adjustments. With the right preparation and research, you can have a successful paranormal investigation.